Hello, in this video I'm gonna explain what happens if you lose or break your TREZOR Model T. If you lose it or break it, basically nothing should happen as long as you have your recovery phrase. These 12, 24, 20 or any other amount of words that were generated while creating the wallet. If you still have it, you can simply use a different wallet or even an app, but if you use an app, then it won't be a hardware wallet anymore. It will have internet access, right? So you can use a different hardware wallet or an app to type these recovery words in, and what it'll do is it will basically generate the same private keys that were generated previously, and based on that you'll be able to use all your assets stored on the account. So that's pretty great. Also remember about passphrases. If you were using passphrases, you also need to type those in if you want to learn more about passphrases and learn how to set them up on TREZOR Model T. You can also watch that video. There is a video on it on the channel, and also it's worth noting that if you don't have your phrase anymore, the backup phrase, then you will be locked out of your funds and you won't be able to restore them. And this is why it's so important, first of all, not to share your recovery phrase with anyone, because anyone that has access to it will be able to access the money on it. And second of all, if you lose it, then you won't be able to restore your wallet. And I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.